this is another candlestick um that is showing a direction, another direction. It looks like the previous one that I did, but this one is different. Now let me show you how this candle forms. She understands. Let me show you how this candle forms. This is a red candle, alright? So the candle was forming like this, came this way, understand? And then yeah, it came this way and it was more like it was strong. Understand? So let's say this candle happen for 1 hour. Understand? So let me take that graph again. It happens like this. Alright, so this was what I'm saying here. What I am saying here, it look like, let me take that graph. I think I should smoothen the pencil. Alright, so it moves this way. No, it moves this way. Sorry, please. Sorry, please. Yes. Okay. So you see that this what we are seeing here is somehow different from what we should be seeing. Because look at here. It's showing that the market was trying to go upward. But yes, I'm going to tell you where you can find it. And if you look at here, it shows that it was a long movement downward. There was a long movement downward. Alright? So that is two. One, there was a short movement upward. Short movement upward. Two, there was a long movement downward. Alright? Now let me show you the next one. This is the third one. The third one shows that there is a large movement upward. There is another large movement upward. Just that this large movement is not up to the large movement that came downward. You understand? So this large movement that went upward shows that this movement for the third one, this particular one, shows that it is not still up to the one that came downward initially. Now, let's do this graph. Let's do justice to this graph. Let me use a blue pen. Here, there is a very small wick, alright? So this small wick shows a short movement upward. So which means when this entire candle starts, it started a green candle. It looked as if it's going to go up. It looked as if it's going to go up like a green candle. But within few minutes, we started seeing that the market began to come down, which was what happened here. So here, the market was about to go up, but it didn't. It tricked us, you understand? Then it formed this entire body. So the candle was, so within some minutes, the entire candle was like this, you understand? So within some minutes, the entire candle was like this. So which means there is a short movement upward, then a long movement downward, which was this entire body you are looking at. And then at some point, then here, at some point here, there are some buyers sitting at this point. Buyers are sitting here. And because buyers are sitting there, market do not have a choice than to buy a little bit. So the market bought and bought to this stage. So because there was a short movement upward from here and then a large movement down, right? A large movement down. So the market came down, you understand? Then and when it gets here, some buyers are sitting down here. He doesn't have a choice. He has to expect them. Then it came back up. So that was what happened with this week. You are seeing here, this particular week. You are seeing here. You understand? So the movement of the market was like this. Now, what do you do in a type of candle like this? Do you buy or do you sell? Now, when looking at this candle, you understand? You see that some buyers show some interest here. So they try to push the market upward. But when it got to a point, at the end of 1 hour, the candle finished like this. At the end of 1 hour, the candle finished like this. So you are reading the candle and another candle has started already for the next 1 hour. Don't worry, it won't go very quick. like that, unless there is a news. If there is a news, it will go downward. But since there is no news, just take your time to analyze this market and see what is going to happen. So you see, buyers are here, you understand? But sellers, okay, let me take it like this. Sellers came in, you understand, very stronger, but because buyers are here, they push the market upward to this point. Now, it is the interest of the buyers to keep pushing the market upwards. You understand? Because this is a competition between a buyer and a seller. The buyer wants to buy, the seller wants to sell. But at the end of the day, we see that these guys that are still buyers are very, very weak. Reason is because the movement was like this. See, yet they are not able to overtake this guy that pushed this market upward. They are not able to change this candle to a green candle. So assuming that this candle you are seeing turns from this this red to green, then we will know what decision to make. But at this point, buyers are not still strong. The guys that are stronger in this market are still the sellers. You understand? So this week represents that buyers are in the market, but they are not strong enough. Because they are not strong enough, we are going to represent them with we are going to because they are not strong enough, we are going to follow the next candle that is coming. So the next candle that will be coming is also going to be a green candle, not necessarily a big candle like this. Sometimes it can be a very small candle. Sometimes it can be another candle with a very large wick like this. You understand? But at the end of the day, sellers are still going to be in control of the market. Either the market go up for a bit or down. You understand? In as much as these guys are still strong in the market, if the market goes up, it will still come back down. You understand? Now, what you should do is just wait out for the next candle that will come. You understand? Wait out for the next candle that will come. And then the next candle that will come is going to definitely be red. So the next candle is going to be this way. Understand? Then you enter your trade from here. So this next candle is going to be your entry. You are going to enter from here, trade this candle, that's your profit for that 1 hour until leave. A quick recap. Let me recap. This entire candle you are seeing started like a green candle, but it's not green candle. It looked as if it want to go up, but it didn't go up. Understand? Then after that, it came down very massively. And when it did, when it got to this point, some buyers are in the market, and the buyers pushed the market upward. And when they got to a point, they were very tired. They could not push the market upward again. Saying for that 1 hour that this candle was forming, it stopped. You understand? So after 1 hour, this candle formed. So because it formed for this hour, the next candle that is going to come is going to be red. We are selling, we are not buying. We are selling, we are not buying. So for this candle, we are selling, we are not buying because buyers are not still strong in the market. Buyers are still weak. You understand? So because they are still weak in the market, we are going to go for the next candle for sell. So our chart will be like this. So that is the recap on how you can read wicks and what you can do. So this candle here represents either buyers or sellers, but this one here represents buyers. For this candle, this wick here represents buyers, and this one here represents sellers. It means market was trying to go up, but sellers came in from here, pushed the market downward, and the buyers also came in, but they were not strong enough. So because they are not strong enough, we are going back with the sellers. So that's the quick tutorial on how you can read wicks. So that's another different way you can read wicks.